Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back. We are back in Houston and we are at a car culture event, and the last time it was pretty epic, and this time it's going to be awesome as well. The temperature is actually down in the 40s. It's super windy and it's freezing. So obviously I got a jacket in the back. We're about to gear up. But yeah, already I've seen a couple really nice cars pulling in. So let me go ahead and do that. Plus, it's a toy drive for Toys for Tots. So let me go ahead and grab, I have a whole case of Hot Wheels. So I'm going to go grab that case and then be able to drop that off and start filming. So here we go. All right, so I got the case of Hot Wheels. We're heading into the event right now. And I am super excited to see what shows up. I know they said there's going to be a Pagani here as well. So I'm really excited. There's already some really nice cars already lined up. So yeah. Alright guys, so we just filmed a lot of the cars pulling in, and man, there's some crazy ones and some that really stand out. I mean, this is a supercar meet, but that Evo was absolutely insane. And that little silver car, we did see that previously. If you guys do remember, if you guys did watch it, the Hot Wheels Legends Tour video actually had that. It came out and I think it was pretty sick, so let's go check that out. Man, that cold wind is making it so hard to talk, and my allergies are also kind of all over the place. Man, people always call me insane for driving all the way to Houston to come to some of these events, but wow, they are totally worth it. And that Pagani just looks so beautiful. I knew it was going to be showing up, but then I forgot about it for a while until everybody started freaking out, running towards it. But that exposed blue carbon fiber just looks incredible. Let's go ahead and check it out from above. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video right there. I am on the sidewalk, kind of like right by where the cars are going to exit, and I'm going to record that in kind of forms of YouTube Shorts. So if you guys would like to see some of that, definitely subscribe to the channel. Definitely subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss out on that, because some of these cars are absolutely insane, especially when they're pulling out and they sound amazing. But if you guys like the video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more videos like this. But as always, thank you for watching.